Good morning, everyone. When we talk about trade, we discussed it previously also that trade comprises of two kind of trades: internal trade and external trade. Internal trade, which refers to the trade within the boundaries of the nation. When we talk about trade within the boundaries of the nation, that is internal, inside the country. External trade beyond the boundaries of the nation. External trade comprises of import trade, export trade, and anti-import trade. That we will discuss in our next chapters. Today I am discussing you with internal trade. Internal trade comprises of two kinds of trade: wholesale and retailers. Wholesale, who purchases in good quantity, in big quantity, and then sell the goods in good quantities, in big quantities to the retailers. That means wholesalers are the mediators between producers and retailers. Wholesalers provide various services to manufacturers as well as retailers because they are a link between manufacturers and retailers and provide immense help in the distribution of goods and services. By making the product available at a place where these are needed and at a time when these are needed for consumption or use, they provide both time and place utility. The various services of wholesalers to different sections are discussed below. What kind of services they are providing to manufacturers? Major services offered by wholesaler to the producers are: first, facilitating large scale production. What wholesalers used to do? They used to collect small orders from the retailers. For example, five retailers are there: A, B, C, D, and D. They give their order to the wholesaler P. This wholesaler P gives in bulk order to the producer. Okay, so they get small order from the retailers and passes on that pool of such order to the manufacturer and make purchases of bulk quantities. This enables the producers to undertake production on a large scale and take advantage of the economies of scale. What is economies of scale? If I am producing only two registers, that will cost me more if you are producing 200 registers. That means जो बल्क में प्रोड्यूस करता है बेटा, उस दे विल गेट बेनिफिट ऑफ producing at low cost, right? So they get economies of scale due to wholesalers bearing risk. The wholesale merchant deal in goods in their own name. They take delivery of the goods, keep the goods purchased in large lots in their warehouses. They used to purchase the goods in bulk from the producer and they used to keep in their warehouses. In this process, they bear variety of risk, such as the risk of fall in price. Price fall हो गया goods का तो वो risk भी wholesaler का है. Theft, pilferage, spoilage, fire, etc. That means they are bearing a lot of risk and they are providing help to the producer. To that extent, they relieve the producers or manufacturers from bearing these risks. They provide financial help to the manufacturer. They generally make cash payment for the goods purchased by them, and sometimes they used to make payment in advance. To that extent, the manufacturers need not block their capital in stock. Sometimes they also advance money to the producer for bulk orders placed by them. Expert advice. Wholesalers are in direct contact with the retailers. Retailers are in direct contact with the consumer. Consumers tell their preferences to the retailers. Now, how this information will pass to the manufacturer? With the help of wholesaler, retailers communicate the wholesaler regarding their demands. As the wholesalers are in direct contact with the retailer, they are in a position to advance the manufacturer about various aspects including customer taste, preference, market condition, competitive activities, and the features preferred by the buyers. All these kind of information are provided by the wholesaler to the producer. They serve as an important source of market information on these and related aspects, right? They help in marketing function. Besides financial assistance, risk bearing, expert advice, wholesalers help in marketing function. They used to market the product produced by the producers. They used to convince the retailers that if you purchase these number of goods, I'll give you these type of incentives. They take care of the distribution of goods to a number of retailers who in turn sell these goods to a large number of customers spread over a large geographical area. This relieves the manufacturer from many of the marketing activities and enable them to concentrate on production activity. That means producers should not be bothered about the marketing. They should concentrate only on production activities, only due to the services provided by the wholesalers. Wholesaler facilitate continuity of production activity throughout the year by purchasing goods as and when these are produced and storing them till the time these are demanded by retailers or consumer in the market. So they help in production continuity. Storage. Wholesalers also purchase the goods in bulk and they provide storage facilities to the producers. Keep them in their godowns and warehouses. This reduces the burden of manufacturer of providing storage facilities of the finished product. They thus provide time utility. Okay, beta? After this, we will study about services to the retailers. Wholesalers not only provide services to the manufacturers, also they provide facilities to the retailers also. What kind of services? Availability of goods. Being a retailer, I need not go to different manufacturers to purchase the goods. I'll go to one wholesaler, P. वहाँ मुझे A, B, C, D, E, F सारे producers के goods available हो जाएंगे. Retailers have to maintain adequate stock of varied commodities so that they can offer variety to their consumers. The wholesalers make the product of various manufacturers readily available to the retailers. This relieves the retailers of the work of collecting goods from several producers and keeping in big inventory of the same. Marketing support. Wholesaler perform various marketing functions and provide support to the retailers. They undertake advertising and other sales promotion activities to induce the customer to purchase the goods. The retailers are benefited as it helps them in increasing the demand for various new product. Wholesaler जब अपने product की advertisement करेगा तो retailers will get advantage of this particular thing. Third is grant of credit. Wholesaler provide credit facilities to the retailers. They extend credit facilities to their regular customers. This enables the retailers to manage their business with relatively small amount of working capital. Retailers को बहुत ज़्यादा capital invest करने की requirement नहीं होती because they used to purchase goods from wholesaler on credit, then they sell it to the consumer, then they make payment afterwards, right? Specialized knowledge. Wholesaler specializes in one line of product. Now they know each and every plus and minus, pros and cons of that product. So they know the pulse of the market. They pass on the benefit of their specialized knowledge to the retailer. They inform the retailers about the new product, their uses, quality, prices, etc. They may also advise them on the decor of the retail outlet. कि आपने अपने retail outlet पे decoration में क्या क्या चीज़ें आगे रखनी है. Allocation of shelf space and demonstration of certain products. So they provide specialized knowledge to the retailers. Then they share risk. How they share risk? Wholesaler purchase in bulk, sell in relatively small quantities. Being able to purchase goods in smaller quantities, retailers are in a position to avoid the risk of storage, pilferage, obsolescence means out of fashion, out of technology, reduction in prices, and demand fluctuation in respect of larger quantities of goods they would have to purchase in case the services of wholesaler are not available. अगर होलसेलर्स की सर्विसेज अवेलेबल नहीं होंगी तो हमको बल्क में परचेज करके रखना पड़ेगा, तो हमें स्टोरेज की भी दिक्कत आएगी, पिलफ्रेज भी हो सकता है, वेस्टेज भी हो सकती है, प्राइस में भी रिडक्शन हो सकता है. ये सारे रिस्क हमसे किसने शेयर कर लिए? होलसेलर ने शेयर कर लिए, बिकॉज वी यूज टू परचेज गुड्स इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज. ओके, सो प्लीज रिवाइज services of wholesalers to the manufacturers and retailers.